Hello, Chargers. Mr. H here with information about our tutorial policy related to the FlexTime app that we use to manage our tutorial period. As you may know, SVSD high schools use the FlexTime online software app to help students make tutorial appointments with their teachers and check in for attendance. This system serves two important purposes. Number one, student safety. Because students can attend tutorial in any of their teachers' classrooms, FlexTime allows us to know exactly where they are in case of an emergency or when we need to reach them quickly. The second purpose is academic support. FlexTime helps us monitor which teachers students are visiting, guiding them toward the academic support they need and encouraging purposeful choices about their learning. So here is the ETHS tutorial policy, and it starts right now. All students must make an appointment with one of their own teachers using the FlexTime online software app and check into that appointment for each day of tutorial. Tutorial attendance will be recorded in Aries, and students who do not make and check into their appointment with one of their teachers will be marked absent. These absences will follow the same policies and procedures as any other class period. So, what do students need to do? This is super easy. Manage your tutorial appointments, which means each Monday, when I come in the morning announcements, check and edit your appointments for that week and make new appointments for the following week. This will be easy and will give you time and direction to do it each Monday. Additionally, you will need to carry your student ID card at all times and scan your ID to check into tutorial via FlexTime each day. We expect some questions about this, so here are a few common questions. What happens if I don't make an appointment? We'll click a button in the FlexTime app that automatically makes an appointment for any students who don't already have one with one of your own teachers, and it will automatically prioritize any classes in which you have a D or an F grade. What will happen if I don't attend my appointment? You'll be marked absent, and these absences will follow the same policies and consequences as absences for any other class period. What if I want to change my appointment? This is what makes it easy. You can change your appointment at any time, even on the day of your appointment. This might be fairly common since you'll be making appointments a week in advance. You might think you're going to want to go to your elective teacher's tutorial next Thursday, but then as it approaches, you realize you have a test in math and you need to go there instead. You can change that appointment to your math teacher anytime, but we recommend checking and managing your appointments early and often, since that teacher's appointments may fill up if you wait too long. Can I make an appointment with someone who isn't my current teacher? No, that has been our policy for quite some time. In some rare cases, students can make an appointment with a staff member who is not one of their teachers to attend another school event, such as a Future Ready Thursday event with our counselors. With the FlexTime app, students can make appointments to reserve a spot in their teacher's tutorial. Teachers can also make an appointment for students. Note that teachers will not always make appointments for students, but if a teacher makes an appointment for you, then you will be required to attend their tutorial on that day. Students cannot override a teacher-created appointment. There are a few ways to access your FlexTime account. You can visit teachmore.org/eltoro/students. You may want to write that down now. So again, that's teachmore.org/eltoro/students. I would bookmark that link so it's easy to access. Or you can find it as a tile in Portal Plus under Applications. When logging in, use the Login with Google feature. So here's a reminder of how to make an appointment. To make an appointment, you start out on the home screen, which looks like this, and just click appointments here, or click on the date you wish to make your appointment here. That will take you to the appointment screen. Note that teacher-created appointments appear in green, student-made appointments appear in blue, and check-ins appear in black. Also, when staff members make appointments for you, they should let you know in person, and they may also have the system send you an email like this one. So be sure to check your FlexTime appointment screen and also check your SVUSD email account every day by clicking the waffle here in your Google account. And then choosing Gmail. Okay, this is super important, so listen carefully. This screen should look familiar. It's the FlexTime attendance screen that you see on your teacher's device every time you check into tutorial. Here is an example of students checking into Dr. Martin's class for tutorial. As you can see, when Ellie Toro scanned into Dr. Martin's class for tutorial, her name appears here in the middle column, and this part is really important. It has a white background. Her name has a white background because, as you can see on the right side, she had an appointment with Dr. Martin, so she is good to go. She will get a Toro token for making and attending her appointment that day. But when Benny Bull checked in to Dr. Martin's class, his name still appeared in the middle column to show he did check in with Dr. Martin, but his name shows up with this orange colored background, which is like a yellowish orange color. That is not good. That happened because he had an appointment with Mrs. Cleland to make up the Chapter 4 lab. If he doesn't do anything else, he will be marked absent because he didn't attend his appointment with Mrs. Cleland, and that absence will have consequences. So what can Benny Bull do? Well, that depends on who made the appointment. If Mrs. Cleland made that appointment for him, he needs to head over to Mrs. Cleland's room to make up that lab. When he checks into Mrs. Cleland's tutorial, he will no longer be marked absent because his appointment will match his check-in. But if Benny made that appointment with Mrs. Cleland, he has a choice. He can decide to either go to Mrs. Cleland's class and scan in there, or stay in Dr. Martin's class and change his appointment to Dr. Martin as long as there is room for him to stay there. Remember, each teacher has an appointment cap, so if all the appointments are used, then he can't change his appointment to Dr. Martin, so he needs to leave. Now, go ahead and make your appointments for this week. So again, make your appointments for tomorrow and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. And also, make your appointments now for Tuesday through Friday of next week as well. As I always say, it's time for FlexTime. Make those appointments, Chargers. Control your destiny and bring honor to your family. As a reminder, students who make and attend their appointments will be rewarded with ET tokens for responsibility. Every day we have tutorial. That's it for now. Thank you, and as always, go Chargers!